Hi, so today I'm working on electronic control unit that came out of a Jeep Wrangler. This issue does happen to Jeep Wranglers or Cherokees from 1991 all the way to 1995. And one of the common symptoms of this particular electronic control unit failing is basically the car will not start, fuel won't kick in, and you basically won't see the engine light come on as well. And it's pretty much due to a couple of these electrolytic capacitors failing on the board. So what we're going to do is go ahead and replace these electrolytic capacitors, and that should take care of the issue.